that you will ever see anywhere, ever, ever, ever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you an unboxing video, and this unboxing video is on items that I got from Rebellious fashion. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, because these items are the best items that you will ever see. They are the best items that you will ever see anywhere, ever, ever, ever. Okay, no, I'm just joking, but I'm going to be showing you some items that I got from Rebellious fashion, and I'm also going to tell you guys the prices, show you what they look like on, so stay tuned if you want to see the items that I got. So the first product is a pair of ripped jeans. I went for a ripped option because I don't always want to be wearing regular schmegular jeans with like no design, nothing, so I decided to get ripped jeans this time. Alright, so let's open this all up. So I got these in size 8, UK size 8, because I'm skinny. Yeah, I got these in UK size 8. It's got a rip here and a rip here. So £20 and 49 pence is a really good price for jeans that's very good quality. I can definitely feel the quality in this. Yeah, part of it fell off. So these are some strings, and this is, I guess, to tighten it. And it's just this really cute lacy top, showing, you know, your midriff, your midsection. So, you know, I'm gonna be looking all saucy, all spicy in this. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out what to do with this. So I'm also gonna show you what they look like on. So, here.